If you are considering opening a Relay Bank business account, one of the most important questions you are likely asking is simple: what is the interest rate for Relay Bank? In this video, I will explain exactly how Relay Bank handles interest, what you should realistically expect to earn, and whether it is a good choice for your business compared to other online business banking options. Relay Bank is a digital business banking platform designed mainly for small businesses, startups, freelancers, and growing companies in the United States. It is not a traditional bank branch you walk into. Instead, it operates online and focuses heavily on tools like expense tracking, team permissions, and clean financial organization. Now, let us address the core question directly. Relay Bank does not offer a traditional interest-bearing checking or savings account. This means that your money in a standard Relay checking account does not earn interest in the way you might expect from a high-yield savings account or certain online banks. Relay's main focus is business banking efficiency rather than interest accumulation. The platform is built around helping business owners manage cash flow, separate funds, and control spending. So, if your primary goal is to earn interest on idle cash, Relay Bank alone may not fully meet that need. However, this does not mean Relay Bank is a poor option. It simply means the value is delivered in a different way. Relay offers multiple checking accounts under one login, which allows you to create separate accounts for taxes, payroll, operating expenses, or savings goals. This structure helps businesses avoid overspending and stay organized without manual spreadsheets. Relay also integrates with third-party services that allow businesses to move excess cash into interest-bearing accounts outside Relay. Many business owners use Relay as their operating hub while parking surplus funds elsewhere to earn interest. This approach gives you flexibility rather than locking your money into one system. It is also important to clarify that Relay Bank does not charge monthly maintenance fees. There are no minimum balance requirements, and domestic ACH transfers are typically free. When you compare this to traditional banks that offer very low interest but still charge fees, the trade-off becomes clearer. Another key advantage is Relay's expense management features. You can issue physical and virtual debit cards to team members, set spending limits, and categorize expenses in real time. For many businesses, this level of control saves more money than a small interest rate would earn. Security is another factor to consider. Relay Bank accounts are FDIC insured through partner banks, with coverage up to the standard limits. This means your funds are protected in the same way as with most traditional banks, even though Relay itself is a financial technology platform. So, should you open a Relay Bank account if you care about interest rates? The answer depends on your business priorities. If you are looking for a business savings account with high interest, Relay is not designed for that purpose. But if you want a modern business banking platform with excellent cash management tools, zero monthly fees, and strong integrations, Relay performs very well. Many businesses use Relay as their primary operating account while combining it with a separate high-yield savings or money market account. This hybrid setup allows you to keep daily operations simple while still earning interest on larger balances. When comparing Relay Bank to competitors, you will notice that some platforms advertise interest rates, but often with limitations, balance caps, or complex requirements. Relay chooses transparency and usability instead of promotional interest figures. Before choosing Relay, you should consider how your business actually uses its money. If most of your funds move in and out regularly for expenses, payroll, and vendor payments, interest earnings may be minimal anyway. In that case, Relay's organization tools can provide more real-world value. In summary, the interest rate for Relay Bank is effectively zero on standard accounts. Relay is not an interest-earning platform by design. It is a business banking solution focused on clarity, control, and cost savings. If you understand that upfront and use Relay strategically, it can be a strong foundation for your business finances. If you are thinking of opening a Relay Bank business account, weigh the benefits carefully, especially if you plan to combine it with an interest-bearing account elsewhere. That combination is how many successful business owners get the best of both worlds. If you found this explanation helpful, consider subscribing for more honest business banking reviews, and comparisons that help you make informed financial decisions.